Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the weekly analysis for today, the 27th of January until the 3rd of February 2014. You're watching the monthly chart. We're still seeing a lot of good potential into the uptrend. The price and obviously the buyers are trying to set up in order to bring more volume to the market and create a domino effect, which is the new rally that everybody is expecting to see anytime soon. Good positive news in terms of the industry and the adoption for several big players on different industries such as gambling and also retail. So this might help in certain way. Obviously are not fundamental news, but they can definitely change the behavior of several investors towards Bitcoin in a positive way, I have to say. And right now we're back into what it concerns us the most. Here is the daily chart, but before we go into the daily chart, this is the weekly chart, and as you can see right now the price is still showing us a new higher low. This is a very good exciting news for all of us. We have a higher low in the weekly chart with the entry definitely showing us that it's possible for the price now that it's over the bodies. This is the top tails. There's more easy to penetrate the tails than obviously the body in that sense. So we might see potential new highs over 1038.16, which was the previous highs on last week. And why not? The next target for this particular movement, could be actually the 1093, which is a minor resistance, but obviously in order to push the price towards historical new highs, it has to come across all these obstacles before a new momentum or a new potential rally comes into the picture. But we're not far from it. The currency managed to penetrate the previous consolidation in a very good way. We're going to see that on the daily chart. But before we go into the daily chart, this is the 3-day chart. Look at the situation. Now we have higher low in the weekly chart, higher low in the 3-day chart. We see alignment, we see coordination, synchrony between these top major time frames. This is good for the buyers. This is good for the patterns that we see. And why not? The next available target for this particular patterns can definitely be historical highs. If that doesn't happen, if we see corrections, we need to see corrections below 950 to consider a possibility to redesign our strategic plan to trade this potential bullish market. After that, there is options. But if that doesn't happen, we'll still see absolutely very good signs that the market is definitely showing us positive messages, and is sending us actually positive messages just to see any sort of opportunities that we can take advantage of it. This is the daily chart. This is the situation that we saw yesterday. During the course of the weekend, look at what happened. This particular retracement was completely denied by this uptrend. Only 2 candlesticks. Very powerful sign, very powerful message. Here is still fighting and trying to penetrate this area, which is a minor resistance. It might take a little bit of more time, but you can definitely see a potential on it. And why not? The next positive situation that the price can push, if we have the volume, the correct volume in the market, is why not try to penetrate this area 1093, and after that potential new higher lows can come along, because right now if the price decides to push that towards 1093, there is enough space in this area for the price just to penetrate and go even higher. We'll see what happens during the course of the week. From now on, just keep an eye on it. Opportunities will come along between 60 minutes and 240-minute chart, and why not 15-minute chart in case the train leaves and we don't see the opportunities on the top frame, time frames. But keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. Good luck this week. This is Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day. Goodbye.